rumors when Levi's and Jordan brand collaborate. We were fortunate enough to receive the renowned Levi's X Air Jordan 4 pack back in 2018. They are now getting back together to remix a brand new classic, the Levi's Air Jordan 3. The two aren't holding back this time around. According to rumors, they are developing not one, not two, but three varieties of the Jordan 3, each of which will be dressed in distinctive Levi's denim. We are still awaiting the official photos, but rumors point to crisp stitching, high-end denim, and of course, that recognizable red Levi's tab. Thanks to Nike for keeping us guessing. The Levi's X Air Jordan 3 collection is scheduled to launch on Nike.com and select stores in the spring of 2026. What is the cost? The $225 was bold but reasonable.